Hey traders, this is Jeff, and today was a very important day. I want to start off with the TSX because if I don't do it now, I'll forget. It issued another sell signal. So if you didn't have the opportunity to get in here back in June when the first sell signal was triggered, and this is something that I've been working on, and I think I have a pretty fine-tuned timing system for the TSX. I'll be honest, I'm still testing it, but I've done some extensive back tests and the results look good, so I'm kind of rolling it out. Trying it doesn't trigger nearly as many buys and sells, so this is something that I kind of want to try to offer as well for the Canadian viewers. So again, if you missed it here, it was a nice signal. It had a bit of a rally and it basically failed, and today is a brand new fresh sell signal. I'll be looking to short EWC tomorrow on any intraday moves up. Finally, a really important day today, I think. A real turning point for the markets. Yesterday, I said in the video that my timing signal was about to flip, and this is how the markets act. They trick you. They make it look like they're going to do one thing, and then they do the complete opposite, often in volatile fashion, as it like today. So a long time ago, I implemented a one-day whipsaw rule with my timing signal. And it's days like today that I'm glad that I stayed short and didn't get spooked when my timing signal flashed a buy, because in my experience, I just know that you want to give it another day. You want to implement some kind of whipsawing prevention signal. It doesn't matter what it is. It's normally up for you to kind of determine and test and figure out what you want it to be. But and when it goes the other way, like it did today, that's a really good sign, in my opinion, that we're gonna see some significant weakness. And I don't have a projection. I don't have a target. We'll probably come down here around 27. We'll probably head down here around 26. I don't know. I don't like to project. All right, so I got a lot of charts here. Want to whip through. Talked about this chart, the 3-line break chart, how this was serious resistance around here. Failure to get back to this new high here, lower high, a lower high, and a huge red candle, very ominous. The McClellan oscillator, it's looking like we're going to be getting some new lows. It's not like we're just going to turn on a dime. Generally, this is going to keep going down for a little while longer. What did I want to show you here? The Nasdaq, the percentage of stocks above the 200-day moving average, hitting new yearly lows, basically seeing its lowest point since September, October-ish of last year. This is predicting that we're gonna be taking out this 2600. This is signaling that the market internals are very weak. A lower high in the RSI as well. The Dow Jones. Oh, and the other thing was volume was increased. It increased significantly on the Nasdaq. You can see it here, decreased on the Dow Jones as well. Here again, the McClellan oscillator, very bearish, very bearish. Nasdaq. Oh, this was the same chart because I had the same chart up there twice. And then finally, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline. It has reached oversold levels, so today's rather significant move did put us into oversold, so we may see some sort of a bounce tomorrow. I will be looking to add to my shorts on any intraday weakness. I don't talk about everything that makes up my timing signal, but I will say this, that I am getting some very bad readings in terms of what could be coming down the line. So with that said, guys, be careful if you're on the long side. I would be focusing on the short side. Take care.